Here's an unboxing of this VIVOSUN AeroLush C08. I'll show you everything that's in it. This 8,000 BTU smart air conditioner comes packaged really nicely. Got some custom foam keeping everything protected, and then boxes inside the box. This is accessory box number 1, and you've got a few different things inside of here. You got this expandable exhaust duct right here with the hose. This is your temperature and humidity probe right here. Hopefully that, got a close enough look at it right there. Then you've got a couple hoods, some adapters, and then you've got an instruction manual as well inside of here to walk you through how to set everything up. Not too complicated though, just got to know where to plug everything in, and that's really all there is to it. Here's accessory box number 2, and getting similar stuff. So right here you've got another exhaust duct. You get a couple of them in this box, expandable, as you can see right here. Easy to place them back into their compacted position. And then you also get these window sealing plates. So when you run one of the ducts to your window, then you'll install these plates onto your window so that everything fits nice and snug without any leakage of air in and out. So it's only coming in through the tube. And then this is just some more to help you, some more tracks to install it onto your window. Then you have this cover right here that also comes with it. It's got some Velcro that runs down the middle. And then here is the main smart air conditioner unit. Has a little bit of weight to it, but it's not too heavy, and has some handles on it so you can pick it around easy. This is the power cord on it that plugs into an outlet to give you a power supply. And then here's a look at the unit. It's nice looking, and it also has some really good wheels on it. As you can see right here, it rolls quite nicely. So if you need to roll it around, works great for that. If you need to pick it up and carry it, works great for that. And then here's a look at it up close. It's got the control panel on top right here. Some really nice buttons, really like just clean looking finish too. Some people will care about that, some people won't, but here's a full 360 look at it. It's well made, arrived in great condition, no scratches, dents, or dings or anything like that. So happy with how it arrived. All the parts arrived well, happy with it.